Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about method in Java. So in general, a method is a way to perform some task. Similarly, the method in Java is a collection of instructions that performs a specific task. It provides the reusability of code, and we can also easily modify code using methods. So in this section, we will learn what is a method in Java, types of methods, method declaration, and how to call a method in Java. So what is a method in Java? So a method is a block of code or collection of statements or a set of code grouped together to perform a certain task or operation. And it is used to achieve the reusability of code. So we write a method once and use it many times, and we do not require to write code again and again. It also provides the easy modification and readability of code just by adding or removing a chunk of code. The method is executed only when we call or invoke it. And the most important method in Java is the main method. Method declaration. So the method declaration provides information about method attributes such as visibility, return type, name, and arguments. It has 6 components that are known as method header, as shown in the figure. Method declaration, public int sum int inv, public access specifier, int return type, sum method name, and then parameter list int inv. So public int sum int a comma int b is method header, and method body, method signature. So every method has a method signature and it is a part of the method declaration, and it includes the method name and parameter list. Then access specifier. So access specifier or modifier is the access type of the method, and it specifies the visibility of the method. So Java provides 4 types of access specifier. First, public. The method is accessible by all classes when we use public specifier in our application. Private. So when we use a private access specifier, the method is accessible only in the classes in which it is defined. Protected. So when we use protected access specifier, the method is accessible within the same package or subclasses in a different package. Default. We do not When we do not use any access specifier in the method declaration, Java uses default access specifier by default, and it is visible only from the same package only. Return type. So return type is a data type that the method returns, and it may have a primitive data type, object, collection, void, etc. And if the method does not return anything, we use void keyword. Method name. It is a unique name that is used to define the name of a method, and it must be corresponding to the functionality of the method. Suppose if we are creating a method for subtraction of two numbers, the method name must be subtraction, and the method is invoked by its name. Parameter list. So it is the list of parameters separated by a comma and enclosed in a pair of parentheses. contains the data type and variable name. And if the method has no parameter, left the parenthesis blank. Method body. It is a part of the method declaration, and it contains all the actions to be performed, and it is enclosed within the pair of curly braces. Naming a method. So while defining a method, remember that the method name must be a verb and start with a lowercase letter. If the method name has more than two words, the first name must be a verb followed by adjective or noun. And in the multi-word method name, the first letter of each word must be in uppercase, except the first word. For example, single word method name, some area. Multi-word method name, area of circle, string comparison. It is also possible that a method has the same name as another method name in the same class. It is known as method overloading. Types of method. So there are two types of method in Java, predefined method and user-defined method. Predefined method. So in Java, predefined methods are the method that is already defined in the Java class libraries is known as predefined methods. It is also known as standard library method or built-in method. And we can directly use these methods just by calling them in the program at any point. And some predefined methods are length equals compared to sqrt, etc. So when we call any of the predefined methods in our program, a series of codes related to the corresponding method runs in the background that is already stored in the library. Each and every predefined method is defined inside a class, such as print method is defined in the java.io.printstream class. It prints the statement that we write inside the method. For example, print Java, it prints Java on the console. So let's see an example of predefined method. Demo Java, public class demo, public static void main string args using the max method of class system.out.print maximum number is plus math.max 97. So the output is maximum number is 9. So in the above example, we have used three predefined methods, main, print, max, and we have used these methods directly without declaration because they are predefined. And the print method is a method of print stream class that prints the result on the console. And the max method is a method of the math class that returns the greater of two numbers. We can also see the method signature of any predefined method by using docs.oracle.com, and when we go through that, see the max method signature. Public static int max int a, nb returns the greater of two int values. Same value, a argument, b another argument. Returns the larger of a and b. So in the above method signature, we see that the method signature has access specifier public, non-access modifier static, return type int, method name max, and parameter list int a, nb. So in the example, instead of defining a method, we have just invoked a method. And this is the advantage of predefined method. It makes programming less complicated. Similarly, we can also see the method signature of print method. User-defined method. The method written by a user or programmer is known as user-defined methods, and these methods are modified according to the requirement. So how to create a user-defined method? So let us create a user-defined method that checks the number is even or odd. So first we will define the method public static void find even odd int num method body if num %2 equal to 0 system dot out dot println num plus is even else system dot out dot println num plus is odd. So we have defined the above method and named find even odd. It has a parameter num of type int and the method does not return any value, that's why we have used a void. The method body contains the steps to check the number is even or odd, and if the number is even it prints the number is even, else prints the number is odd. So how to call or invoke a user defined method? So once we have defined a method, it should be called. Calling of the method in a program is simple. When we call or invoke a user-defined method, the program control transfer to the call method. Import java.util.scanner public class even odd public static void main string args creating scanner class object. Scanner scanning new scanner system.in system.out.print enter the number reading value from the user. Int num equal to scan dot next int method calling find even odd num, and in the above code snippet, as soon as the compiler reaches that line find even odd num, the control transfer to the method and gives the output accordingly. So let us combine both snippet of codes in a single program and execute it. Even order.java output enter the number 12, 12 is even. Output 2 enter the number 99, 99 is odd. So let's see another program that return a value to the calling method. Addition.java. Then static method. A method that has static keyword is known as a static method. In other words, a method that belongs to a class rather than an instance of a class is known as a static method. We can also create a static method by using the keyword static before the method name. The main advantage of a static method is that you can call it without creating an object, and it can access static data members and also change the value of it. Instance method. The method of the class is known as an instance method. It is a non-static method defined in the class. So before calling or invoking the instance method, it is necessary to create an object of its class. There are two types of instance method: access method and mutator method. An abstract method. The method that does not has method body is known as abstract method. In other words, without an implementation is known as abstract method. Factory method. It is a method that returns an object to the class to which it belongs. So all static methods are factory method. So this was a brief discussion on methods in Java. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.